This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the tool safe and accessible. Remove the battery or unplug the cord and put on gloves to avoid cuts. Once done, flip the trimmer head up and clear grass and dirt so you can see the spool. Next, press the release tabs or twist the spool counterclockwise. You'll feel it disengage. Pull the spool straight out, keeping track of any springs or washers. This step exposes the line chamber so you can install new string without jam or misalignment. You now prepare the line. Choose the correct diameter, often 0.65 to 0.95 inches, and cut the required length, usually 8 to 20 feet depending on your spool. Once done, fold the line at its center if the spool uses 2 sections, otherwise wind a single strand. Wind tightly and evenly in the arrow mark direction to prevent tangles, and tuck the line ends into the retaining slots so they stay put during reassembly. Proper tension prevents slippage and reduces vibration while cutting. You finish by seating the spool back into the head. Align tabs or the center post and press or twist until it locks. Feed the line ends through the eyelets or exit holes, pulling them taut so the bump feed or auto feed can advance line. Reinstall the guard, reconnect power, and test at low throttle to confirm even feed and no wobble. If the line retracts, snarls, or the spool shifts, stop and reopen the head. Inspect winding direction, tension, and any damaged springs before retesting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.